Since its established in 2005, Zhejiang DIY Automation Manufacturing Company Limited has focused on the R&D, production and sales of automatic mechanical parts. At present, DIY has become a modern enterprise with an area of more than 30,000 square meters and more than 200 employees. Relying on its own continuous strengthening of R&D and service capabilities and industry-leading software and hardware level, DIY has promoted itself to become an industry leader rapidly through its outstanding brand influence. Empowering with innovation and make progress with Lean. Focus on innovation and quality-oriented. DIY has always been committed to introducing the world's advanced machinery manufacturing equipment and establishing advanced R&D and manufacturing centers to achieve automation and lean production. The company is committed to the R&D and production of ball screw and nut set, linear guideway and block set, linear shaft, linear grinding shaft, and linear round guideway. In the production process, the company has always strictly implemented the operation of the ISO 9001 quality system to meet the production standards and quality control requirements of customers at domestic and foreign, which has been trusted and recognized by the majority of customers. After years of continuous development, DIY has successfully applied for more than 60 R&D patents and successively won the honorary titles of National High-Tech Enterprise, Zhejiang Manufacturing Quality Standard, and the Executive Director Unit of China Rolling Function Parts Association. Adhering to the business philosophy of making customers satisfied through teamwork, every DIY person deeply explores the technological frontier of mechanical automation and intelligent manufacturing, ignites the blaze of innovation, and illuminates the way forward with the light of wisdom, promoting the value of innovative smart manufacturing to highlight the faith of brand craftsmanship. In the future, DIY will gather more innovative forces to make the industrial core smarter, more accurate, more efficient, and more advanced, aiming to give more energy to China's intelligent manufacturing.